Here I have Honor 8X and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar, and let's just assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys. As you can see, and here you just capture the screen. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture the screen. You can also use the second method of taking screenshots. Just use upper bar twice and let's tap screenshot. Let me show you again. Use upper bar twice and let's tap screenshot. Alright, there is also the third way of taking screenshots, but if you would like to use it, you need to go to settings, scroll down, choose here the smart assistance. Let's use motion control and use 3-finger screenshot. So let's enable the 3-finger screenshot, and now you need to use 3-finger and swipe down to take a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's swipe down with 3 fingers and you just save the following screen. So now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the captured screen, you need to open the screenshot folder. Let's do it by using the gallery, and here in the gallery you can find your screenshots, or you can tap albums and here tap screenshots folder. So now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.